Okay, so what we're going to be working on today. So you're going to go to Thursday assignments, and you're going to scroll down, and you're going to see December 3rd, Jamestown Colony. So click this, make sure you download it to Word, and make sure you save a copy, because if you don't save a copy, this won't download. You won't be able to write on the document. Today we're going to work on some Jamestown scaffolded notes. So you're just going to go through each of the levels. So level 1 is going to be prior knowledge. So I just want you to pick one word from this word splash that you are already heard of. So have you ever heard the term Pocahontas? Well, most of us have. So just tell me in one sentence, what do you know about Pocahontas? Scroll down. You're actually going to complete this level 2 based off a video called Settling at Jamestown. I put the link to the video inside of the document. So you're just clicking this and you're going to watch the video. As you're watching the video, you're going to be answering these questions. Then finally, here's what you're going to do with all this information. I want you to summarize all of your responses and turn them into a diary entry from the perspective of a Jamestown colonist. Tell me why you decided to come here based off why the Virginia Company decided to settle. Tell me about your relationship with the natives. Tell me about what's happening to you during the starving time. So this is how you're going to end this assignment in level 3 by creating. So going back to Schoology, make sure you submit. The due date for this is Monday, December 7th. So let's make sure we get this in by Monday, December 7th. Okay, hope this video was helpful.